What type of nutrition is shown by fungi? Answer. Saprophytic. What is autotrophic nutrition? Answer. Self-feeding. What is heterotrophic nutrition? Answer. Dependent feeding. What is chemosynthesis? Answer. Chemical food synthesis. Name bacteria that synthesize food chemically. Answer. Nitrifying bacteria. Which part of chloroplast captures light? Answer. Grana. Which part of chloroplast synthesizes glucose? Answer. Stroma. What is the function of xylem? Answer. Water transport. What is the function of phloem? Answer. Food transport. What are insect-eating plants called? Answer. Insectivorous. What are decaying matter-eating plants called? Answer. Saprophytes. Name a saprophytic fungus. Answer. Mushroom. What is the process of food transport called? Answer. Translocation. What are tiny openings in leaves called? Answer. Stomata. What is the process of loss of water through leaves called? Answer. Transpiration. What part of leaf contains chlorophyll? Answer. Mesophyll cells. Which compound provides hydrogen in photosynthesis? Answer. Water. What provides carbon in photosynthesis? Answer. CO2. What are autotrophs? Answer. Self-nourishing organisms. What are heterotrophs? Answer. Dependent organisms. Which gas is essential for respiration? Answer. Oxygen. Which plant traps insects using sticky leaves? Answer. Sundew. What is the process of nutrient absorption by roots? Answer. Osmosis. What is the medium for photosynthesis reaction? Answer. Water. What is the role of sunlight in photosynthesis? Answer. Energy source. What are nitrifying bacteria examples? Answer. Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter. What do plants excrete through stomata? Answer. Oxygen. What are the products of photosynthesis? Answer. Glucose and oxygen. What is the main energy currency in cells? Answer. ATP. What type of nutrition do algae show? Answer. Autotrophic. What do parasitic plants lack? Answer. Chlorophyll. Name one partial parasite. Answer. Mistletoe. What is the main function of leaves? Answer. Photosynthesis. Which mineral helps in nitrogen fixation? Answer. Molybdenum. Which organism fixes nitrogen in root nodules? Answer. Rhizobium. What is the color of chloroplast? Answer. Green. What type of energy is stored in glucose? Answer. Chemical energy. Name the sugar formed during photosynthesis. Answer. Glucose. What are the small pores on leaves called? Answer. Stomata. What is the function of guard cells? Answer. Control stomata. What is the source of light energy for plants? Answer. Sun. What is the main function of roots? Answer. Absorb water. What are organisms that make their own food called? Answer. Autotrophs. What are plants called that depend on others for food? Answer. Parasites. Name one chemosynthetic bacterium. Answer. Nitrosomonas. What type of nutrition is in green plants? Answer. Autotrophic. What type of nutrition is in fungi? Answer. Saprophytic. What pigment absorbs sunlight? Answer. Chlorophyll. What are end products of photosynthesis? Answer. Glucose, oxygen. What is the ultimate source of energy for life on Earth? Answer. Sun.